Hey guys, got a new project today. We got this new switch that lights up. The buttons don't light up from the factory. I know, lame. So you gotta spend 50 bucks to get this. Basically what we're trying to do is push these little tabs down on the back side there and pop this thing out and then slide the new one in. Keep you posted. So if you have the snap-on hose remover, that's really helpful. I don't know if you can see in there. Let's see if I can get you down in there. Okay, so we got that in there. Get y'all down in there. Okay, so you see how I'm pushing on the clip on the top of this thing? And then I'm using pry bar to push on the back side. That's what this is. I'm pushing it out with this while I push the tab. And that got this front end out. Okay, so once you get this blank one out, which is pretty easy to get out from the front, then what I did was I stuck my little pick tool in here and I hit the bottom, got the bottom to come out, then I hit it with the top, got this top part to come out, and then I'm gonna just keep moving my way down and see if that gets it to what we need. So let's just kind of put it in there and do that while I'm pushing it forward. There's the bottom, there goes the top, just like that. Can you please put that up there? Thanks. Okay, so now we got that out. We just have to find the other end and disconnect it. Okay, so back on in here. The cables connect right over here. So I'll work my way over there and unplug that, and then work the ground all the way over here and ground it to my ground block. Okay, so here my video camera stopped recording the sound, so I'm just comparing the factory one with the one with 2 more wires on it on my son's bike. He stole it and put a headlight switch on his bike. So I wanted you guys to see the 2 extra wires on each end. Maybe you can do something with that, I don't know. That's on you. But yeah, it's pretty much garbage. Alright, so here we're all waiting for that So Satisfactory click, but since the microphone was not working, I'll just have to do it for you here. Just get it in there nice and straight, and how's that? Oh, wait. Come on, it's going to do it. Okay, there you go. There was that snap. And just kind of work our way back. They go in much easier. Got it. We heard that nice satisfactory click. Alright, and the last one, I can do this. Click. Okay, so that's great. Unfortunately, it's pretty dim. You can't see it during the daylight, so it doesn't really stand out. I'm doing my best here to get a good video of it lighting up, because this is the first time I'd seen it too. They work exactly like the factory switch. Click, click, very sturdy, firm, just like the factory one. Can't tell a difference. So at this point, I'd gotten clever and tried to cover it up. You can see it's quite a bit brighter than the one that's not on next to it there. I have my hat around it, so it's not perfectly dark, but it gets you an idea of what you're dealing with here, just enough to see it in the dark. Yep, there's my fancy photography trick. And again, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully this is something you can do for yourself. I think it's a great upgrade. All right, well, thanks for hanging out.